Good morning, Doctor. My name is Brandon. Today my topic is plastic for aquaponics, and I come from the section 7. Normally, the small amount of plastic extracted into the food from plastic container. The amount of plastic that leak from the plastic container into the food under certain conditions. For example, putting the food in microwave or exposure under the sun. It may increase the amount of into the food through the process from which I state above. There are four types of the plastic: polyethylene terephthalate, polyvinyl chloride, polypropylene, and polystyrene. Polyethylene terephthalate is the most common thermoplastic polymer resin used for the polyethylene family. With the process polymerization of ethylene glycol and terephthalate acid, the PET is produced. It is also used in the container for food transforming for manufacturing and fiber for clothing. Polyvinyl chloride, it is the high-strength thermoplastic material. It can also shorten the form to call it PVC. Under the process polymerization of the vinyl chloride monomer, the characteristic of the PVC is white in color, brittle, and strong. The third largest thermoplastic material, polypropylene, is the most common thermoplastic used in the world. Rigid semi-crystalline thermoplastic in size. A synthetic resin developed by polymerization of propylene. It's also used in the plastic furniture and low friction application size scale in vehicle or machinery part. For the polystyrene, it is the type of the polymer which has the characteristic size transparent, rigid, and brittle. It is made by the polymerization which combines building block called string. It also used in different forms such as foam, far, and plastic. It can be used in injection molding and manufactured by a company. For the advantage of the polyethylene terephthalate, it is high strength than PBT. It is strong and lightweight, hence easily and efficiency to transport. It has the higher heat dissolution temperature compared to PBT. It's not easily to break or fraction. It's practically shatter resistant and hence a suitable glass replacement in some application. For the polyvinyl chloride, is good in mechanical property. It also good in durability. PVC is resistant to weathering, chemical rotting, corrosion, shock, and abrasion. It's therefore the preferred choice for many long life and outdoor products. It's also the cost-effective material. PVC has a good physical as well as the mechanical property and provide excellent cost performance advantage. It has the long life and need the low maintenance. It also chemical resistant. PVC is resistant to all organic chemical. It has a very good resistance against the dilute acid, dilute alkaline, and aliphatic hydrocarbons. For the polypropylene, it is low cost and straightforward to produce in multiple countries and communities. It can offer great versatility of color as it can be produced as an opaque and transparent thermoplastic and used when some transfer of light is diffused. It is also light in density, allow it to easy to carry, where weight saving has to be a key consideration. For the polystyrene, it's versatile and easy to proceed. Also low cost. It also a good insulator material. For the disadvantage of the polyethylene terephthalate, the crystalline form of the PET has the low impact strength than PBT, as well as it shows the lower moldability than PBT due to its slow crystallization rate. For the polyvinyl chloride, it is the poor heat stability. The flexible PVC has the lower chemical resistance compared to the rigid PVC. Property can change with time due to the plasticization migration. For the polypropylene, it cannot be recycled. When it burns, it produces a chemical change that cannot be reversed. It also has the low melting point. It means that polypropylene is higher flammable and limit in this ability to withstand higher temperature, and it is also susceptible to UV degradation and oxidation. For the polystyrene, it is flammable, brittle, and more often cannot be recycled. For the nutrient far technical, is simple and effective where work well in environment adapted to aquaponics. It uses the PVC pipe which is horizontal to let the stream of nutrient-rich water through them. It's also useful in the food production and urban place. How does this work? Normally in the NFT aquaponic system, the water is pumped from the biofilter into the flow pipe with a small equal flow that creates a shallow stream of nutrient-rich water flowing to the bottom. The grow pipe contains holes along the top of the pipe into which the plants are placed. Upon exiting the grow pipe, the water flows back into the fish tank. As plants consume the nutrient-rich water, they begin to reach develop root system inside the grow pipe. The root also clean and filter the water before it flows back into the fish tank. The water that enters the fish tank causes the tank to overflow through the exit part and back into the mechanical filter, completing the cycle. For the component of the NFT, it contains four, such as the fish tank, PVC pipe, water pump, and the filter tank. For the fish tank, it plays an essential role in aquaponics system to provide plants to survive. It's also a major component of an aquaponics system. So whether you decide to package or make your aquaponics fish tank, it's necessary that you choose the right one and to ensure your money and hard work are not waste. For the PVC pipe, it acts as a parameter to water the plant. This component houses the plant net, pot, grow, medium, and plants. For the water pumps, it's a beta things for the NFT system. The water pump ensures the water flow in to provide the nutrients to the fish and the plants, which continue push throughout your which is ensure the water is continually pushed throughout your aquaponics system. Suppose your water pump is not reliable to do the job of distributing the water in the system. In that case, the consequence could be a failure in building and maintaining your aquaponics system. For the filter tank, the filter or sub tank that help in reducing the bacteria and preventing the fish diseases. Last, for the advantage of the NFT, roots are highly oxygenated. It means that the root can receive amount of air because part of the root is exposed to prevent the root rot. It also has the constant flow of water. The constant flow of water in the system help preventing the build-out of the solid on the root and ensuring the nutrient-rich water is always available for the plant, increasing their growth and health. And this is my reference. Here I list about. And thank you.